Well, I'm here at the ADA stand here at BVE 2017, and I've got Jamie with me. Hi, Jamie.
Hiya, how are you?
Yeah, not too bad. Now, I've had a quick run through, this is very impressive, but for those who haven't seen it, tell us what we're looking at here.
Yeah, of course. So we have our AdLink Infinity KVM solution, which is a high-performance IP-based KVM Matrix.
Yep.
So in the background here, we have a rack of machines, both Windows, Linux, and Mac machines, which we're encoding using our Infinity transmitters. We're extending those across a standard gigabit network. In this case, it's an HP, but we quite often use Cisco or Brocade or many of the other brands. And then here on the desk, on the console, we've got a number of decoders. Here we're decoding just HD content that's coming across the network. And here we have our management system, which is again being decoded on a receiver. And we're showing how we integrate our matrix systems along with our command and control switch. So although we've got two completely independent displays here, we're able to control those as though they're a single screen real estate. And so we can have Windows next to Mac and simply just move the mouse and cursor between those without actually having to switch in the old style of KVM switching.
So a key thing with this, of course, is going to be latency. If you're working with video content on a machine that's a long way away, you can't have any kind of latency going on here that cause you a problem. What sort of latency and how do you deal with that?
Well, look, ideally, in most cases, we're looking at around 16 milliseconds. So in that case, what we're able to do is give the user a real-time experience. We have some case studies for guys who are using it with Wacom tablets, and therefore, there it's incredibly low latency to give the experience that they're looking for. A lot of animation and visual effects users in that world are utilising Infinity. What we're able to do is use our proprietary codec that we have, which means not only is the latency very low, but we've also produced a pixel perfect image. And that makes us ideal for those visual effects environments, that animation effect where what you're seeing on screen has to be an exact representation of really what's coming onto the graphics card. And that's not always achievable on IP with some of the more lossy codecs that are out there. And even in KVM world, a lot of manufacturers will use codecs that crunch the video down to allow that extension distance. So the codec that we've got achieves both the low latency and the high performance video that most of our users in this market particularly are looking for.
And if people want to get into a system like yours, I mean, how scalable is the system from something small to something large?
The fundamentals of IP mean that it's very scalable. This morning we've talked to two customers. One has 8 computers and 4 users, right up to customers who have hundreds and in fact thousands. Then just at the middle of last year, we completed an installation which has 1,200 computers and 800 users. So mass scale for KVM as well. The key is it's network based. So as long as we can design those networks in the right way, we can use tools like our resilience where we have multiple network connectors for every box. It gives the customer that feeling of resilience in the system and a confidence that actually you can effectively lose parts of the network infrastructure and maintain KVM functionality. So scale's very small to the very big.
Now, if people haven't been able to come and see you here at BVE and they want to find out more information about all your systems, is there a website they can go to?
You can, of course, yeah. It's www.ada.com.
Jamie, thank you very much.
Anytime.
Very impressive system. If you want to find out more, go and have a look at the website. Link is, of course, on screen now. Don't forget to check out the other videos we've done here at BVE 2017 at our website, KITPLUS.com.